course, and she was a child, she always knew how to get her way. Just act a little bit wild and someone will surely come to play. It's a truth she took to heart, but humility and she didn't come with age. She's born the blade with her toddy, but always center stage. Toddlers raise the ball louder and louder, relishing in untestable power. Overriding a black and white scene, the one that only candle gleams. Stoking the flames that went higher and higher, royalty with a crown of fire. Setting a blaze in extravagant scene, the one that only candle queen. Adrenaline and always looking for attention, thought to be so genuine when she suddenly met with apprehension. The fighting has begun and she'd do anything to get ahead, like using deep left leg runs and sweeping each other into the bed. Toddlers raise the ball louder and louder, relishing in untestable power. Overriding a black and white scene, the one that only candle green. Stoking the flames that went higher and higher, royalty with a crown of fire. Setting a blaze in extravagant scene, the one that only candle queen. Ah, but there's hope for you still, before it all comes to fall. Ah, you just need to chill, it's not the end of the world. She just can't help but be this way. She lost her true self long ago. Now all her friends even pushed away because the caricature is all they know. Toddlers raise the ball louder and louder, everyone rushing to get some of her. All alone in a black and white scene, the one that only candle green. Heart with the flames that went higher and higher, clutching a broken crown of fire. All alone in the final scene, the one that only candle queen. What a pity, the candle queen.